I saw you in my dream. We were walking hand in hand on a white sandy beach of Hawaii.
He was the most beloved Hawaiian musician of his time and came to represent aloha the way Duke Kahanamoku had in the first half of the 20th century. When he died, all of Hawaii wept, and his legend grew. The magic of his sweet voice traveled across the globe and into the hearts of people everywhere.
You can hear his smile when he sings. I think, to me, that's what got me when he said, "Hey, Bones, listen to this." And him laughing while he was playing it. And I know he knew he was playing the wrong chords, but that made it even more fun.
It's like his aura. It's like people just like being around him. And then when other people hear him sing, it's like if he passes by, it's like they gotta touch him.
And as soon as Israel Kamakawiwo'ole walked on top of that stage, you could hear a pin drop. As soon as he opened them out, the people flocked to the stage, just like the Pied Piper. The beers down, all in awe, just mesmerized by this man's presence.
No one touched everyone like Israel. That's the power of music, but not all music. Music, when you have a voice like his voice and the soul and the feeling behind it.
I think he's the most free-spirited person I ever knew, the most understanding, the most open, honest, and insightful person I've probably ever come across.
He was a big man, but with a big heart, unconditional love. He's just a big teddy bear, really. I miss that,
Everything came from the heart. He loved the audiences. He loved his music. And I think that purity, that honesty shines through the songs that we now hear.
The music has gone much farther than Israel, the body, could ever take him, and he will continue. The music will be there forever, and he will continue to influence the world through his music.
Today, Israel Kamakawiwo'ole's popularity has multiplied several times over and is still growing. One recording in particular has captured the imaginations of many movie and television producers and their audiences. The name of that song is very appropriate. It's as though Israel is now managing his career from above.
Ooh,